Hey, Small Moose, how you doing? Can you hear me? I'm resetting up my stream. Hey, bad cop. Much Elixir. Loud and clear. Too loud or decent? Elixir? I hardly even know her. What do I have? No. Whoa. Okay. The heck? Why does it show me that shit? Laravel? Forge? Weird. I haven't looked at Laravel stuff since like 2014, 2015. Are you sure it's not a typo and you meant bash? Yes. I don't know how my fingers got misplaced. I went to type bash and it just Elixir came out. Son of a bitch, what was it again? There we go. So this is what I'm working on. I haven't touched it in a little while, making sure nothing's broken. I think reports is next. If I can't see anything by these people, I probably shouldn't. They shouldn't show up in this list, huh? They show up here and then I click them and there's nothing. I wonder if I should filter that list better. Probably yes. Is last. Wait. Oh no, recipient. Okay. So it's 3 pages. No. How many do I have per page? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted the wrong page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a minute. 10, 20, 30. Oh, yeah. I'm just dumb. Me count. Me count good. I should have done this with the bash stack. But I didn't. All right. No, what? Hold on, I'm logging in with linear. Okay, here we go. Where's the reports? Okay. Number 1. That's right. Period 1, period 2. Okay, so there's a date range and another date range. But these ones are the same. Maybe he just copied and pasted. I don't know. And it compares those 2 periods. Okay. What we doing? So this is for a thing called Coach Log. It's an actual thing that I'm working on with the one and only B Killshot, who's in chat there. He'll be joining in a little while. You can do the elevator pitch if you're still around. This will be fun. Well, districts, stores. Well, this is going to be groups. Which... let us see. Man, I got too much. Need a better switching thing than the default Mac command tab. Anyways, we don't have the ports. We do. Don't look at these queries because they're pretty gross. Close your eyes. It's weird thinking while streaming. Isn't that weird? All right, this. This module could get annoying. I wonder if I could do like split these up a bit. So we're gonna have. How do I open this in a new tab? I hate when they hijack the right click. Command click. There we go, new tab. All right. What if I just made a module for each one of these? So like coach log usage. Reports, coach log usage. Wow, yeah. And I don't know what my arguments are yet. Hold on. Stop it. It's definitely going to be a tenant ID. Two date ranges. Damn. And is that it? Maybe. I don't call it tenant ID anymore. I call it org ID. What do I call the date ranges? Range A, range B? I don't know. This will be annoying. So for every group, I think that will be 2 queries. We'll query for period 1 and then query for period 2. Let's look at the date range shit. There's date and then range. I don't know if that's really what I want though. Date range. So if we do a starting date, ending date, let's just do 10 days. It's a struct. What does a struct look like? Okay. Interesting. So should I take a date range struct, or should I just make it like a tuple? Start A and A. Start. Well, I can't type at all. I changed my desk up and everything's different. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know what I want to do. So I don't need a struct. I don't need the steps. I don't need all this crap. I really just need the first and last. Maybe I'll call these first and last. Now the fun part. I haven't touched this in a while. I forget how I do the queries. Let's look in here. Ah, yes. Groups. I don't want the teams. I don't want the teams. I want groups of descendants. Wait a minute. I don't. Okay. I don't need the. I don't need that. Okay, hold on. Let me just start writing something because I don't need. I don't think well in advance. I just write shit until it works. How about that? No. Okay. No. Oh. I don't see you. Is the camera on? Hold on. Maybe not in the screen. Talk.
Hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, I think you're in the stream now. What if I do this? Talk?
Hello?
Okay, I can't hear you if I don't have it on.
Wait, what?
Nothing. Good.
Oh. I can't see your screen either.
Oh. You don't have your camera on.
No. Nor will I.
What a loser. Okay. Okay, if I share my screen with you and Twitch, is that gonna... Oh, okay, no one's mad.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Okay, what are we working on?
The first report. I'm not gonna do the card shit right now. I just want to get this thing.
Okay.
So we're gonna have like a table for each group, I guess. Or no. The table is the groups, or how does that work?
Well, districts would essentially be groups, and stores would be teams.
Yes, but we have regions, districts, any level.
Yeah.
We switched it to like a recursive.
Yeah. So districts, the top part could be groups, I guess, and the bottom part would be teams, unless it gets like nested. But that could be kind of.
So it's just groups, and we don't care about the hierarchy of them. We just list them. Because they're like a tree, right? I don't think we'd want to. Like, how else would we display it? Other than just flat like this.
You could like. Yeah, like
them.
what? Yeah, exactly.
Make it like a file tree.
Yeah.
That would be weird.
But like maybe. I feel like there should be some hierarchy. It's kind of strange because, like you said, the groups, there is a hierarchy to them, and it's kind of weird to just have all of them lumped together in no particular.
So like nested accordions.
Unless we did each table was part of the hierarchy. No, that doesn't really work though.
Yeah, wouldn't make sense.
Or would it? Because like the first table up top would be like a single row, which we could probably ditch. If that would be like the org, yeah, and then there would be like regions, and then the next one would be districts, and the next one would be...
what if the org had 2 children?
Didn't we say everything reports to like one parent one?
Yeah.
Which is like the company.
Yeah. But the parent can have multiple children.
Yeah.
So it's like a tree. So you can't say the root one has one thing underneath. Well, there's 2. Are those in the same table, like siblings?
Yeah.
the nose, that would be weird because they're not really actually related.
At all. The,
Unless they just have their own. No. Yeah, they could have each have their own table. I guess just every group has its own table with its children. No,
no.
we're just getting back into this. Like it would just basically have to be nested accordions, and that. I mean, it would look fine for like a regular setup, but anyone who has a weird setup or like really deep thing would just end up looking ridiculous. I think we have to do it flat. I think maybe you can put the parent like underneath the name or something and like group them by parent, or just put the parent underneath.
What if we skip this one for now?
They're all
Look at the other one. They're all going to be the same problem.
They're all going to be probably. Let's see. District store, same thing. This one, maybe leadership coaching activity. Wait. Hold on a sec. I have to ask you something. Check your Discord.
Maybe we skip reporting. Let's skip reporting for now. I want to figure out this activity timeline.
Oh yeah, okay. Have to whiteboard the report shit.
Pardon me?
I'll have to whiteboard the report stuff.
Yeah. As soon as they say that, like maybe they just need to be thought out again. Like,
well, yeah, we got a different
how can we
structure for everything.
Yeah.
Where's the? What are we doing?
Activity timeline.
Where's that?
I don't know. I put it activity channel. Maybe that's what it's called. I've like moved it back and forth 20 times, or maybe just once.
Right now, coachings are published to a comments channel. What? Why?
Well, that's how we did it right away. So right now, when you
mean comments are?
Yes. Sorry.
Yeah. Now the discussion section.
To a coaching channel, I guess. Coaching comment channel, whatever.
Okay, hold on. Let's go to where that happens. That's on like here.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything that happens in the timeline, it could be more than comments. You're saying it's like activity now, right?
Yeah. So it used to be just like discussion, but now it's going to be an activity timeline. So the comment, what we need to do is make it so like we can publish any activity. So it pops up right away.
Okay, hold on. I want to just commit what I started. I was working on reports. Copy that.
That's the wrong one, I think.
No, I want to. Whatever.
Doesn't really matter, but there's a different card, I think.
Oh fuck!
Whip.
Ah, I wasn't looking. I just did that on the main branch. Now the main branch doesn't compile. Alright, fuck. I don't even remember the thing to undo that.
You just delete the Git directory and re-init.
Preset. I think hit 1. Is this soft? Okay. Why do I already have that branch, by the way? I don't remember.
There's a different branch for it, I think, or a different card.
It's 73.
No.
Maybe, oh. Right. Why is there 2 different ones?
I don't know.
You did that.
Definitely. Scroll up. It's probably near the top.
Okay, that's the one I just
70. No. 76.
I don't fucking see 70. Oh, that's the one I was just on. Oh,
No, you were on 73.
Damn it, Brad. Okay. Okay. Back. Okay, here we go. What are we doing? Activity?
Activity channel. Activity channel. I don't know.
Okay. It should be gone. It is good. Did you start anything with that or no?
No. So go to components.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Activity components. So this is all we have so far, which
So
just
they're basically all the same except you're changing only this, right? And like some other shit.
they're not. No. So the icon, the content. I would like this to be completely configurable because, like, if you look at like the linear timeline or the GitHub timeline and stuff, like some of them have like a card around it, some of them don't, right?
Okay.
Like we have different types. Like we have stuff like that where it's like, okay, you have like then if you scroll down to one with a comment, then you know what I mean. So
Well, these all have cards. But
they do right now, excepting this. This is actually a thing too. But yeah,
So-
I'm going to change. Yeah.
So we'll keep them all separate like this because.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. Okay. Cool. So then.
But what we need to do is
Then we-
change. What?
I was gonna say because then we're gonna have the same one and just like change a couple things. We just do the whole like just a protocol and grab the stuff.
So I still think we do need a protocol though. So if you look in the
But do we?
go to the. I think so because wait, this
'Cause what
these
different
accept.
data?
I think we should have an activity.
No, because we can just put the type. Like you can just put you just have the type.
I guess so.
Right?
But
And then so you'd have type string. You don't need a default, but you do required true. And then you have a list of values here, and then those are validated like at compile time. So you have comment. else do you have? Follow up requested. Here, let's just do this. Okay, so we grabbed all this comment. Hello, Mr. Muse, welcome back. So we don't need this. ASP.NET is gross. That is correct. Okay, so what is all this stuff? Content. What's the content? HTML string or something?
I mean, should we just at that point just make it accept an activity, which is a map, and then a type, and that's it, or something? Or just accept?
Well,
does it only need to accept it?
You might want to do different shit, like you might
Which is, I think, what I've done.
Different things completely for different activity types.
Where?
So maybe we just do a map. Just do an activity map.
No. Hold on. Go to show coaching.
What do you mean? The code or
the Heeks page template.
Okay, that's
No, the code for it. Yeah. So maybe that's why I did that. But this could probably just be another component. And then they could all be just like that, essentially, right? And then everything's in the activity. The thing is, right now, I'm shoehorning everything into so when you go to the show module,
hold on. What am I doing? Coaching show module.
very bottom.
This.
What?
This?
Yeah, just above that. What? Did you do something?
No. Did you commit and push your code?
Yeah, because it's generating that thing. Where is it getting all the activities?
You mean the stream? This one?
Yeah. Okay, check that out. So when we build the initial activity, we have to find a way to we have to merge them all together. So they kind of have to all follow the same structure anyways. between like that activity. Because there's a whole bunch of different places that the data can come from, right? And then, but we have to be able to sort them by the timestamp and stuff. So unless there's a better way to do this, I'm not sure. But here, what I'm doing is I just unioning all the different activities that a coaching could have.
We could create an activities table and insert them when we insert these records. And then just broadcast that to PubSub. Or
yeah.
So we do we want to?
That would probably be like the cleanest way to do it. Other than the fact that we have to,
because this is kind of dumb.
It's very dumb. I just didn't know.
It's literally just for one place, though, right?
Yeah.
Every time you add a new activity type, you're going to add a new query.
And yeah, it's already pretty ugly right now.
Union. So you start with this one, and then your union, and then you do this one and union that, and then you do this one as a subquery.
Yeah. I don't know if that's the right way. That's the only way I could make it work. I was just trying to get the functionality working, not super concerned about if it was the best way. But I'm not completely against an activities table.
I feel like we could do this query better, but also I don't feel like figuring it out.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Actually, I think that's how I figured this out in the first place. It's just like copying, pasting, and then give it the error. And it had a really rough time figuring it out, but...
Okay, well, let's look at what it would look like if we made an activities table. So, where's the comments? Where do we add comments from? Oh, it's create coaching comment. So, okay. There's two ways we could do this. We could turn these into transactions, insert the comment, insert the activity from the comment. Or we could create a gen server that listens to comments and whatever else, and then inserts the activities from the
like an activity server would be kind of cool. Because if you had an activity server, then you could, once something was like whatever, you create a comment, you could just send that comment to the activity server, and then in the background it would be responsible for adding it to the table and broadcasting it.
The problem with that is it's not guaranteed. There could be something that happens after you broadcast the message. Something crashes after he starts, anything, and then that activity net doesn't get saved. If we did it in a transaction, it's like if you have the comment, then you also have the activity. Then it's like, that's guaranteed.
That's true. Oh.
Hey, it's Nightshade, dude. Modern looking syntax. Yes. It is not Erlang. It is, but it's not. Okay, so if we wanted to make this into let's use, okay, do we have multi in here? No. Let's do alias echo. There's a better way than multi, but I don't feel like doing it right now. It's like a cool trick by that guy who wrote the book, Elixir in Action.
Sasa?
Metami. When Erlang asking for Nightshade. Erlang, well, there% Erlang stuff, like we do Erlang things. It's just 99% Elixir syntax. Let's find that coaching comment thing. Yeah, it was here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. You know what? I like. Okay, I'm gonna look that up. It was a thing. Repo transact instead of multi. I can't type multi.
Oh yeah. What was that?
Was it this guy? Maybe. Oh, it was this guy. I thought it was. After reading this and hearing about his famous repo transact. Okay, it was him. Yeah. See, I like this. Let's do this instead of multi. It's a little bit simpler and cleaner.
That's what's nice about it, Moose.
Yeah, Moose. Elixir has more technical blocks per line of code than any language. I mean, it's nice and
they're so high quality too. It's not just.
I mean, I've seen some bad ones, but they're mostly good.
Well, compared to PHP, right?
Yeah. Well, that's not fair. It's not a fair comparison. Let's just double check everything here. Yada yada. I don't like. It's fine, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to use repo transact instead of multi. But how do you use it again? We have this in somewhere at work. Yeah, so this is like if we were doing it with multi. I hate don't pipe into case. I hate that so much. And this is with transact.
So the whole thing, so the width, it's gonna say like essentially it'll carry on to the next one, but any of them fails and they all fail, and it returns.
It falls through, and it's in a transaction. So yeah, so like if this one succeeds and this one succeeds and then this one fails, it's in a transaction. So these will be rolled back.
That's so much nicer looking.
That. Yeah, it's way better than this shit. Like I like, multi's great and all, but this is just way cleaner. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Should include a link to that post. The comment.
So repo transact function. Then we're gonna do change set is this. I guess with okay. What am I making a comment? And okay, type again. Wait, how do I do this? Set. What were we doing again? The activity?
Yeah.
Is that going to be in the coaching's context?
I guess it depends. Can we have... Yes. I think it has to be. Like, in theory, it seems like there should be able to be... There should be other activities that could be done, but... So I guess it'll be like coaching activity.
Speaker's pretty loud compared to Ryan, just FYI, but it's okay. No, I reset up my stream and screwed around with all the settings. So like, am I too quiet or is he too loud?
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Like I can put him down, or I can put me up. A little bit of both, okay. How about now? Check, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Say more.
More.
How about now?
More.
I'm bumped. Am I good or too quiet? How about the music? Can you hear the music?
Thank you, Medami.
Thinking and even overthinking is greater than not thinking at all. Also known as PHP. Nice. Music is loud, not too loud. I can turn it down a little bit. that better? Awesome. Merci beaucoup. All right, so comment change set. We're gonna need an activity change set. Activity change set. Activity change set is okay. Well, we didn't create an activity at all. Gotta do that. Yeah. So wait, will you say it was under coachings? I guess
I think so. Yeah. Like I think we should probably say like coaching activity.
I'm gonna copy comment. Activity. Anything here changing?
Like most of it.
Does none of this say it's the same?
Not really.
Why?
If you look at the existing coaching activity.
Content? Alright, hold on. I'll just copy that. Just gonna do activity. Alright, where was it? In this one?
No, coachings.
I mean here.
Yeah.
Event timestamp. We can just call it timestamp.
I mean, we'll also have just insert that. No, I guess not. Yeah, timestamp.
Well, because yeah, you want to map it from completed at, not inserted at.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Well.
Oh yeah, because each one's going to be a different. Well, I guess completed at is inserted. Why do you have completed at if inserted at is the same thing?
Because the follow-up is it's created when you create the coaching.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a completed that date. But so. Oh, sorry, my cat. Okay, but the timestamp though is it always going to be inserted at because we're creating the activity at the same time that activity happened? I'm trying to think that one through.
Yeah. So yeah, we don't need the time. You just use inserted at.
Like when you let's look at the ones we have right now. So we scroll up to the top. So coaching comment is when the comment was inserted.
Yep. Requested. Follow-up requested.
Is the same as when the follow-up was inserted.
When the activity happens. When it's completed, we're going to insert a new activity. And it'll be inserted. The event timestamp will be inserted at. It's always going to be inserted at.
It's always going to be inserted at, yeah.
So really we just need content and type and user ID. So we have that. Do we want to, I guess we need to associate it to a coaching.
Yeah.
So really just type is all the extras. So it's the same shit, like I said, except we also have type.
Can you go back though, just to make sure? What are we doing with the user? Because like every activity is user.
What do you mean? The user who did the
Like
activity.
it's all. Yeah.
Follow-ups and comments.
The one gotcha is that right now when a follow-up has been open for like a certain amount of time, it gets auto-closed because it's like pointless at some point. Like if nobody did it within like 2 weeks, then it's like
user
pointless, so
ID,
we close those.
so it's nullable.
Yeah.
If it's null, then the activity was by the system.
Or just wasn't by a person. Yeah. Okay.
We don't need change sets.
Do we want, is content a good name? What is it? Is before. I guess it doesn't really matter. Content, message,
Body,
like body.
whatever. Is it just plain text?
I don't know. What is it right now?
You tell me you
check.
did it.
I don't remember. No, well, look at the. I don't know. It was a minute ago. No, go back to like the code. How are we generating that field? Coachings. Table.
Completion notes, request notes, comment content. So I think those are just text areas, aren't they?
I think so. Go 1 sec. I'm gonna click. Oh, I like. So one gets like hard coded in here as well. Oh. Just click. What?
What are you doing?
Here. Oh, this is just like a generic one.
Yeah, you don't need anything.
Oh, title. That's a dumb name. I don't know why I said title. Coaching created by. So that would be the content. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just a string.
That's the. You called the content title?
Yeah, bad idea. Don't do that.
Okay. So this could also be created in the database when you create a coaching.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Cool.
The only downside to putting this all on the table is like, I don't think it's an actual problem at all, but we lose the flexibility of changing those messages if we ever want to. Like historically, but I don't see why that matters because no, ignore that.
Changing what? Well, the only downside I see is this bunch of duplicate data that we already have to avoid querying and massaging it later.
Yeah.
In that function.
Like, I think it's worth it.
Then all right, let's do it. This can be nil. What else can be nil? User ID can be nil, which means user can be nil. Missing org ID. And good. The thing is, we don't need a change set. Because it's not from like, it's not from form. It's not like a user input.
It's
There's
a
no
system generated thing. There's nothing we can do if it fails.
Yeah, there's no error message to display to a user. So let's just fucking not do a change set.
That being said, if that query fails for some reason, how is that transaction would fail?
Oh yeah.
But have no input.
Into we just have to be like, sorry, try again later.
Something went wrong.
You gave us valid input, but we are stupid.
Nothing you did is wrong. Just try again.
An admin has been notified. Please try again later.
The message just gets dumped into a Discord channel somewhere.
Anyway.
So no change that.
Even if there was, what are we gonna show the user?
We can't do anything with it, right?
Well, we could like yeah, we'll just say a big
Oopsie whoopsie
flash message. Oopsie whoopsie. Try again tomorrow after the admins have slept.
Make it like the marquee text just scrolling across the top.
Oopsie whoopsie.
Oopsie whoopsie.
Does marquee still work? I never tried that in like since 1999.
Yeah, since I put an animated GIF on.
Alright, so anyway, what the hell was I doing? Let's go back up to here. So I don't need to change that. I'm just gonna do activity. Activity.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh. Activity. Oh, is that gonna do the ID and shit? I've never tried this before. I have tried this before. I'm dumb. Okay, user ID is what? User ID. What we got? We got org ID.
Okay.
What? What do you want?
Is
Don't
this?
fuck this up.
Should we have?
Got a lot of imports.
Like, is this where you'd use a protocol, so that like everything gets like a 2 activity, and it formats it for you?
Here? Oh yeah. That's actually a good idea.
The
You're smarter than
only
you look.
I just because I spent the last 4 days trying to figure out how protocols work. Just really wanted to pull that one out of my back pocket. I think we could use a protocol here. No, but the only downfall I can think of for that is that occasionally, like if we go back to wherever,
Oh, what do you want now?
like here, for instance, these are both follow-ups, but we use different fields.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what protocols are for.
Even though they're both for like a follow-up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we can just pattern match on what's the difference completed at.
Oh, I guess so. So if Yeah, I guess so. If completed at is set, then the activity is that the follow-up's completed.
Yeah.
But if it's nil, then it's follow-up was requested.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I do a protocol? I think. I need to make a new thing with a name. Different name.
Yeah.
So protocol action or something.
This is part of where I was getting confused at how to like organize it.
All right. Well, let's just for now call it coaching action.
Because like,
and we're gonna do
when I was trying to come up with like a name for it. Like I named it like plural, like coaching activities to activity. Whoopsie.
Whoopsie. Okay, so now we can do this and go to here. Where do we want to go? Let's go to comment, and we do down here. Let's do def impl that do to activity comment do, and then we just do coaching activity. Oh, we won't have the ID, which is kind of weird. No, it doesn't matter for this case. So type is coaching comment or something. What was it? Comment. Not coaching comment?
I mean, I don't really care what it is.
I guess it's because it's a coaching activity. The context is already coaching. Content is what? Comment. Content.
I think so.
So here, let's just pattern, like, make sure that they're doing a comment.
Coaching comment?
Fuck off. If I
Which
do
is module.
coaching activity. Oh, is the module. Is that gonna work here? Let's find out. Because it's inside the module, but it's inside this block, and it's not liking that. What? Coach log, coaching, coaching. Whoa, coaching. Oh, because it's saying it's like in this. All right, let's try. Let's try this. I don't know if the alias will be in this scope. It's interesting to see how that works. How this macro expands. Okay, it's okay with that. It's fine with that. So the aliases carry through, but the module special thing does not.
And just to make sure, so when you define the def impl, you don't have to specify that it's for this module because it's within the module. I get smart enough for that?
Yeah. Yeah, so if you were doing this outside of the module, you'd have to do def impl this, but then you'd have to do for
Yeah.
coaching comment.
Okay.
But because you're inside the module, you don't have to. Oh, shit. I lost my clipboard. Inserted at comment. Inserted at. I think we have to do updated at too. Hey, thank you, Metami, for the gift sub. Okay, so what else do we need for? I need like alerts and shit because I don't hear anything or see anything. What was I doing? Looking for. Oh yeah, we need org ID. We need coaching ID. And user ID if they have. Comments have user ID. So org ID. What was it? User ID. There's another one. Hey, cool. Oh, he did a 12 language tour and he didn't do Elixir or Erlang? Oh man, that's shameful. I am disappointed.
This is fair.
Oh yeah, coaching ID. I need a coaching ID. All right. Didn't make it on the list. Then your list sucked. All right. So, okay. I don't need that full thing if I have that. Here. Why is this not? Why is this mad? Not alphabetically. Oh. What? Coaching? How is that not alphabetically ordered? It's after activity. Oh, because it counts? It is there. That was a weird place to put my thing. Nightshade is teaching you Erlang. Nice. Nightshade is an Erlang evangelist now? What is happening? Alright, do I have everything I need for this? That is lies and slander and 99% fake news.
Everyone just needs to become Elixir evangelists.
So it's 1% true.
Very good word.
So you're saying there's a chance? Magnetic personality. Just trying to think of a pun, but nothing good came. Alright, so we did this for comment. That's cool. So if we are in coachings and we are going back up to here. So it's here we do coaching, excuse me, action to activity, and then we do a repo insert, and so we do the comment here. We don't need this.
So here,
Hold on, I need coaching action in here. One sec. Action. This isn't used anymore, apparently. Okay, what?
How does this work? Like, you pattern match out the comment. Is that available here?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, each one is available in the next step, following any amount of steps.
All future steps?
Yes. And
That's
in
cool.
here. So it's like, it's within the scope of the with block. So once you
Yeah.
do this, then like you could do that, then it won't pattern match and it'll fail. But if you had a step that doesn't pattern match, it's just like you can do foo equals bar or whatever.
We need to change this too.
Why? What's wrong with that?
Because I don't think there's a, like right now the broadcast function is in this coachings module, but should we not have like all of them?
Well, you want to
Like
broadcast.
a centralized place to broadcast versus.
We do.
And it should be. We need it needs to
We
get
do
broadcast to like.
I did that already. Is that what you mean?
Yes and no. Go back to where you were. This broadcast is calling something else.
Yeah, I know, because it's pattern matching on shit.
Yeah.
I don't
But
want to.
we won't need to do that anymore, right?
Yeah, we do, but we're gonna change it to activity.
I guess it's coaching activity, so there's no reason why it shouldn't be broadcast from here. Okay.
Yeah, it's relative to this context. So we can change it to activity for now. Activity. And
Oh, actually, I guess all the activities that we're broadcasting should be done within here anyways, like creating a comment, creating a follow-up. That's all part of this module, right?
yes. Did I spell this wrong? Oh, I fucking took this out. Alright. So that's not a comment, that's activity. Activity. Why am I... Yeah, we need that, I guess. Okay, this makes sense. Oh god, what are you drawing?
Did you hear? Oh, I tried to.
You failed. Get better. Do better. Be better. So yeah. We're gonna do activity here. In fact, we don't need the whole okay bullshit. And do we even need that? Like we could just actually do that and then return the comment. Like this. is this? Oh. Yeah, we kind of need. I guess I could just do activity like that. Yeah. What? Don't fuck with me, man. What?
I don't even know. Yeah, nothing. It's all good.
Hey, so if this fails, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Something's wrong.
Yeah, just be like, fuck you.
Look, if we write, we'll have tests, and if the tests are passing, then there's no theoretical reason that this should fail.
Yeah, I mean, if this, yeah, I mean, it's true.
I don't think there's a way to do that other than to like
convert it into a comment change set, or just return like a change set error message or some bullshit. And I don't see the need to deal with that. It's actually, so if that does happen, like maybe we actually just bail. I'm just gonna bail anyway. No, we're gonna do this. Why is this bad? With doesn't end with a what? Oh, this. Oh, fucking Credo doesn't like that. No, that's valid syntax. It's just Credo doesn't like that style.
Ugh. Fair.
So hold on. Just double checking what repo transact does. Yeah, so any reason. Okay. Yeah. So we need to handle follow-ups and the coaching created. Right? What is this? 6 months ago. I never removed that. Alright, whatever. Remove it now. Alright, so follow-ups. Create. Is it coaching follow-up or just follow-up? Working on I've been applying to Elixir jobs. Haven't landed anything yet though. Working on an internal project at my current company in Elixir. Yeah, once you have a production Elixir experience, I find it's a lot easier to get a job.
Yeah, chicken and egg problem.
Where is follow-up? Are they not in coachings? I think. Oh, are they created?
When you create a follow-up, it's at the same time the coaching is created.
Right, so it's create coaching, and it's an association. Shit. Okay. That's okay. We can handle that. It might not have a follow-up.
No.
Okay, could still handle that. All right, let's do the transact bullshit. Transact. I have a language commit though. Oh yeah, that's true. So a small moose, he wrote Unicode. What do you call it? Like it replaces the invalid characters with like the invalid Unicode character symbol thing. And then it got merged into the Elixir Lang string module, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong.
You make sure that's on your resume. Say Elixir maintainer.
All right, so coaching change set is this. With
Where is replacing valid? I can't find it.
where's what?
In the docs. Replace leading, replace prefix, replace suffix, replace.
You have to look at like the master branch or like RC or whatever.
One RC0. Coming soon. RC1. One sec.
Where the hell is string? Why don't I see string? String, oh. Okay, scroll far enough. String, deprecated module. Replace. Not there. No. Master. Main. Protocol, no. String, you ding dong. Replace invalid. Can I? I tried. Hold on. Why can't I see it? Oh, is it just like... No, what the hell? Got to like type something special into here. I guess I just type main. It's hiding. 117 dev. Alright, here we go. String. Functions. Replace invalid. Look at that. Since 116, that's not true. It's wrong. Your dot block is wrong. You need to do a...
Oh.
You need to do a pull request. I'm going to do a pull request to change that to 1.17, and now I will be an Elixir contributor. Fuck. Let's look at this guy. Oops. Doggo. Repositories 5. No wonder you didn't get a job. What the hell is this? UTF-8 torture. Game servers. That's cool. Valve A2S. Server query protocol. OTP docs. Is that a fork? What is this? Interesting. Unit recover.
They're gonna look and be like, this guy's 9 commits. God,
I want to see 10 repositories here. Get to work.
just do one. Do like 5 commits every day, so you get that green on the graph.
Just do your automated. Who cares about the graph? Just look at what they're doing. Wait, why am I not signed in? Oh, because I'm on this Firefox bullshit. GitHub. Password. Never see. To a fair. Boom. Getting Erlang docs into hex docs. All right. I did the dumbest. I added the chart shit to my profile.
What chart?
Ooh. I forget where I got these from, but I saw someone with like charts and shit, and I was like, I want that. And
you'll forever have PHP as your top.
I know, that's the sad thing.
No matter what you do. That's about PHP. Ryan, the PHP developer.
I made 2 PHP libraries that like everybody used. Not everybody, but everybody who uses these 2 things use. And now they're like my top shit. But anyway, whatever. I have 204 repositories. And that's not all forks, because I actually have a separate account called Ryan Winchester Forks, where I do most of my forks. And I have 129 repositories there.
What?
So I have, I created, it's not an account, I created an organization called Ryan Winchester Forks that I put most of my forks into when I want to like contribute to like open source shit.
No.
So this is like, there's still some forks here, but it's forks that like I want for myself and not to like just like do a pull request with. Wow. Ooh, you guys can see all my private ones. I'm showing you my privates.
Banned.
Like,
Demonetized.
So I created looks good to me GPT, LGTM GTP.
Wait.
Before anyone else did like all these like pull
Wait. What do you think? What did you say that stands for?
Looks good to me.
Is it not? Let's get this merged.
No. This whole time.
Forever. No one's corrected me because I guess he used it at the same time. Let's get this merged.
Anyway, I created this before all these people like created their own like PR reviewing AI shit and made a bunch of money, and I'm like, damn, I should have probably like did something with that.
Could have been a billionaire.
I'd be a billionaire right now. Like 10K MRR. Cool. I'm gonna put this one in Discord so we don't forget that we did that. All right, so what was I doing? coaching. Change set. And then we gotta do the activity one. Activity. So we do coaching action to activity. I don't know. I don't know if I named this stuff well, but it's fine. Coaching. And then we do repo insert. And then, okay, so now we want to do, hold up. Wait, no. How we want to do this? Because we need like a conditional now, where it's like, if coaching follow up do, else not do. Is that what, like, I don't know what we want to do here. Because if they have a follow-up, then we got to do this shit, but it's not going to fall through. But it can fail a transaction, so who cares? I guess, right? Because, like, you can't do, like, a conditional branch of this with block. So we're going to have to just get out of there and do it. I wonder if we just did that and then did this stuff in here. That would be fine. I think.
Because we doesn't matter in the sense that, like,
we don't need the error message.
It's gonna stop. Yeah, exactly. It's gonna stop when we get an error, right?
Yeah, it should roll back because it's in a transaction. So this is actually better than the fall through thing because it's more. The user would just get like a 500 error, which is accurate because that's what we're doing. Oh, and this isn't. Fuck. Wait, no, that is that. Dumbass me. Okay, so now we do coaching follow-up, right? So that's the follow-up activity. And that's the coaching activity. Also, we need to preload follow-up. Because it's not loaded. And I'm a dummy. More repos. Oh, he added one. KivoX. Oops. Shit. Oh god, I ended up in my flashbang. Oh no. My Arc browser is really kind of annoying sometimes. Okay, hold on. Boom. KivoX. A client for Kivo's reverse engineered. Oh, I haven't looked at OBS, but I just realized I haven't been bumping up the font on my browser. So it's probably really small for everybody. All right. All right, let's code review this. Client for Kivo is reverse engineered web API for Elixir, roughly ported from PyKivo Plus. What is Kivo? A client for Kivo is reverse engineered web API for Elixir. What does that even mean? What is Kivo? Pages? What is Pages? Kivo X Planning X Calidra. All right.
Oh, smart locks. It sounded familiar.
Brand of locks. I have dealt with smart locks very much.
Do you traditionally keep your secret keys in there?
The good thing it's I bumped up the font to horizontally scroll. It is not sensitive. Then why is it called secret?
Client, not secret.
It can be anything, really. Then why don't you just put why? Why is it so long? Whoa. Did I just click through to something? What happened? I didn't do anything. That was weird. Alright, client nonce. Client ID and tenant ID. Are these all like your personal like things? Should that be in config? Do you know how to use config? You don't have a config directory. Python. Just make a config directory and then make a config.exs and then it's automatically will be used. What is playing? Oh my god. That is not music I listen to. Stop it. I can't even change it. No. Okay, just stop. Okay. How long was shit music playing? I was like in the zone. So yeah, about config, yeah, you make a config with config exs, put import config, and then you can do stuff and then grab it from wherever. Like this is done at compile time. If you need runtime config, you just put it in a runtime exs, and then you can do system environment variables or whatever that will be called at runtime instead of compile time, which is more useful.
What's the difference? There's get and fetch. One of them fails if it's not set.
Fetch end with a bang will fail if it's not there, which like for your database stuff you can't do anything without a database for this application, so it should just fail and not start and waste time. Python repo does some really stupid shit that I copied over just to make things work. I intend to revise that. Cool. Cool. And revise it you shall. Why? I'm missing an end. I'm like, why is this not lining up? Alright, so okay. We're gonna do a broadcast activity, follow-up activity. And then I guess here we'll just do the broadcast because why not? Yeah. Client secret should probably be generated by the client each time, not be static. JWT should be verified. Yeah. Python has a library for everything, but a lot of them I found are of questionable quality. That's kind of one of the problems with like very mainstream languages. You have to like weed through a lot of questionable quality libraries, or use just one of them.
You can't even just rely on it being popular either.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean
Oh,
much.
there's probably like a lot of like ones that just everyone uses, but then, you know, they've probably been used forever and have legacy weird shit going on.
Like they're still using like MySQL insert.
Yeah. So this one is done. So let's create coaching. That is create follow-up. Follow-up requested.
Pause.
Pause what?
Never mind. Continue.
Now we have follow-up
Complete follow-up.
Is that in here? Complete.
Yeah.
Follow-up. All right. Fuck. All right. So right. Follow up. So we have the update bullshit. Change set. Backend JavaScript libraries are absolute worst. Oh fuck, JavaScript source.
All JavaScript is absolute worst.
And it's like you do a bunch of JavaScript shit, your project's all cool and working fine, then you move on to something else. Come back to your project a week later and do like npm install and everything's broken.
A week is generous. It's like within
3 hours. Shit, what was I doing? Oh my god. Activity is coaching action to activity follow up. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I did this first, but I don't want to do that until the end. Because if this fails and the coaching rolls back, we broadcasted a coaching thing that was rolled back and doesn't exist. You know what I mean?
Well,
Well, what?
shouldn't they?
This will have them in the wrong order.
Yeah.
So I have to fucking do this.
Well, shouldn't they both be? I don't know. I guess they need to be inside the transaction. How does that? Wait, how does that even work?
How's what work?
What?
How does what work? Okay.
The
What?
transaction. Like, how's the transaction work? If you are, I know the whole transaction will fail,
Mm-hmm.
but I guess that just rolls back the
The database. It doesn't roll back stuff that you do, like a pub sub message that is received by somebody.
Yeah. We might not even need a broadcast here. We can if we want to, but like the broadcast is if you're on the page, but you can't be on the page because the coaching doesn't exist yet. So you're broadcasting, but you can't be looking unless we end up using the channel for something else. I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't hurt being here, but like you can't physically be.
It's an activity, and we're broadcasting activities, so
yeah,
it's fine. Might need it somewhere. Okay, anyway, I just had a thought about that. And this one, I'm changing this to this.
and
I don't need that.
instead of like doing this,
I forgot this stuff. What? Instead of doing what?
Instead of doing this everywhere, what if you just had like a function that can
create activity?
Yeah, that like converted it, inserted it, and then broadcast it.
Yeah. Shut up. Stop being smart.
It's easy when I only say like 4 things in the 3 hours. 2 of them are bad ideas. Nightshade JS is suffocating.
He's not wrong.
You read it right.
Coaching action to activity thing. Oh my god. Yeah. All right, so we got that. Yeah.
The only thing here is that it's going to broadcast it, but even if the follow-up fails to create.
No. No, it won't.
Were you not broadcasting that function?
In the create activity function?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Well, yeah,
Why not?
No, because of what you just said. We're gonna do it here. Where else am I using this? Here.
Will that also get rolled back?
Well, what?
Like because you're in a transaction, because you're doing insert in here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Why is this? Oh shit! I cut it out instead of. Oh, for fuck's sakes!
Just repo that insert or something.
I did something stupid. Hold on. I think I did. Oh no, I did it. I did it dumb. Hold on. I shouldn't call this activity thing, but I did. Oh, what the heck? Okay. Okay, cool.
Imagine me, I learned Elixir just so I could use Phoenix Livewire, so I never had to write JavaScript.
Live view, don't insult
Oh no.
Phoenix like that.
I have to go now. Live view.
The fuck out of here. Just came back, but yes, JS is suffocating. This is why I've chosen the path of relief, the path of never writing front-end code. See, with Phoenix Live View, back-end code is the front-end code. Livewire is like the wish.com version of Live View.
You know what? I can't say I hate Livewire for the sole purpose that it was so bad that it made me leave, join Elixir land.
Okay, I keep forgetting to do this thing at the end of these.
No, Livewire's the Laravel one. It's terrible.
Okay, so at the end of this bullshit, I forgot to return the thing. Laravel does not equal Lambos plural. Laravel equals Lambo singular. Taylor Otwell has a Lambo because of all the Laravel stands gave them all their money. It's one. There's one PHP Lambo. It's not plural. Wait, I have a tweet for this. Ah, I'm not logged in, so hold on. The one Lambo. Where's my tweet? Where's my Twitter? Alright. Does it work? This is it. This is the true story of the PHP Lambo. Oh shit, what the hell? Why can't I paste it? Okay, there we go. That's weird. Alright, this is like... Alright, this is not that much better than multi, by the way. At this point. This is just a fucking mess of shit. I don't like this at all. I don't know if it would look better in multi, actually, but...
Well, I mean, we're not really using it the way it's intended to be used.
I mean, it's... is what it is. It's fine. I mean, it wouldn't have... It's ugly anyway, no matter what we want to do. But it's fine. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Or however the saying goes. Alright, here we go. Do we have any left? Okay, so we have okay, where's your code for this shit? Here. So we have comments. Did we do comments? I think we did.
I think that was the first one.
We did follow up requested, follow up completed. I don't know what this one is. That's
nothing.
It.
Yeah.
So we got 3. 4. We did 4. Coaching created.
Yeah.
All right. Good. So I can delete this. No, I can change this.
Yeah.
And it's not get, it's list coaching activities. Get it right. Convention. You see a repo all.
Your list.
First word in your function is list. So we're gonna do repo all from A in coaching activity where a org ID is org ID and coaching ID is coaching ID. That's it. Right? Coaching activity. I feel like okay, that's good. But are we missing something? No, we're good. Why does it change that back?
You put it back.
Why did I do that?
I think when we were talking about what happens if it fails, you didn't undo.
Ah, right. Okay. So this is the only one that we added the protocol implementation. We need it in coaching. What's the type? Is this coaching? We didn't put a type yet, so it's up for.
Like, do you stick to like current descriptors?
Coaching created.
Yeah.
I guess so. So then we need to update the comment one.
Should they be strings? Can you make them like atoms or something? Or?
Yeah, we can. There.
Magic.
Just like that. Look at this. Boom. It's an atom now.
But then,
We
like,
did
how does
it.
it get inserted?
We
Does
did
it
it.
get inserted as a string anyways?
We fucking did it. Yeah, watch this. Type. ecto enum values.
Okay, do you want to make that enum though? I don't think.
I'm not gonna make it an enum in the database. I'm gonna make it an enum in the code. Usually I do both, but for this one I'm not gonna do the database one because I feel like we're gonna end up with more actions, and I don't want to update database enums for that.
Yeah, exactly.
Follow up requested. What else do we got? What else? Follow up.
Comment created, follow up requested. I mean, follow up created, I guess, or should requested is what I have.
It's fine. Follow up completed. Is there what's the auto close thing? Are we gonna create an activity for that?
Yeah, sure.
What's code? What is it? Follow up or what's closed? Auto? You said there's something auto closed.
Like, I mean, follow up. It's just like closed by the system, but
follow up closed.
Yeah, sure. Or follow. What's a better descriptor from that? Because it is closed, but
auto closed.
Expired.
That's fine too.
Are atoms in Elixir always prefixed with a colon, unlike Erlang?
Yes.
Can you also do it if you start it with an uppercase? Doesn't that turn into an atom or something?
No. Oh yeah, because it's a module name. Module names are atoms. So if we did, but it's like a syntax sugar. So if I did like foo. Oops, I'm not in IEX. Sorry. Foo. See, it's showing as that, but if I do foo, you can see that it's actually an atom with a colon, and it's prefixed with Elixir. So if I did foo equals Elixir foo, that's true.
Which...
Hey. That's not gonna work.
Oh, wait.
It's not gonna work because the first one evaluates it true, and then you're saying true equals foo.
I just did this like thing that what did I do? Oh no, sorry.
There's not a lowercase f is not gonna equal uppercase x. Yep. Well, because that's the same thing as the string.
And so that's why. Oh look! This is what I learned reading for the first time in a while, which is why all module names. Oh, you can't see it in here. Oh, build. Maybe in here. Maybe in here. Maybe I don't know. There. Because that's how it gets like you said, this gets prefixed. It's an atom, right? And each one gets its own beam file, but it's prefixed with Elixir because that's how it works.
I like how you ended that. Because that's how it works.
don't know why.
You were doing really good with it. Because that's how it works. It's like
no, I don't know why. That's just what it does. That'd be my explanation for most things.
Alright. Comment created, follow-up requested, follow-up completed, follow-up expired. What else? There is another thing. Coaching Coaching created.
Coaching created, comment created, follow-up requested, follow-up completed, follow-up expired. You can't edit a coaching. You can delete a coaching, but then it gets deleted and it's invisible anyway, so I guess we don't need one for that.
I mean, so I that's actually good. We should do fuck. So remember how I wanted to add audit logs, like
yeah.
This is basically we're almost basically doing that.
We're almost there. But for one instead of everything.
Yeah, so I mean, if we added like the coaching deleted, and
that being said, though, I think like they're like same but different. Like I wouldn't want what we have in here. I wouldn't want in an audit log, and what we have in an audit log, I wouldn't necessarily want in here.
It's true. Because
like the audit log, you want to be like terse and like very like coaching edited by this person, whatever.
Well, and I want to know the changes too.
Yeah. From here to here.
But it's just funny because it's basically
like a shitty audit log.
Yeah. I'm just gonna be doing. I guess I'm just like copy and paste this to create the audit log shit, and then just modify it a bit. The problem is now our where is it? Like this shit's gonna get even more ugly because I'm gonna put the audit stuff in here.
Can you? Yeah.
At least I don't need to broadcast. Oh, actually, I'll even broadcast it too because the audit log page can update in real time. But why not? Because why not? Like if stuff's changing, why wouldn't you want to see it if you're on that page? So yeah, we will also be doing the audit log shit here and all of these functions. We're not at that yet. All right.
At that point, is there any way you can just like do that in like the repo module?
That's if we were auditing like every single fucking thing. I don't think we want to do that.
I mean,
no.
Why not? What wouldn't you want to audit?
Lots of stuff. I don't want to like. It's like that's like every time you do anything with the database, you're like logging it, and that includes like. I only want to audit what users are doing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well,
we do a lot of stuff with the database that, it's not like direct user actions. It's like indirect.
We'll argue about this when the time comes. Good night, Metame.
Oh, heading to bed. Glad to catch your stream, even if Nightshade Dude was here. Yes. He bans me all the time in Prime's chat. Should time him out for no reason.
Nightshade?
Yeah. Hold on. He has 0 timeouts in this chat. Can you believe that? I don't even know how to time people out, or I'd do it right now.
The best way to build an audience is to time out the 50% of it.
50% of my audience is Nightshade Dude. We'll be like, fuck you, Nightshade Dude. Take this. Hold on. Can I do it from here? Oh wait, what are these buttons?
Oops.
Hey, get your fucking mouse out of here.
I meant to do this. Can you do that or something? Or no?
No, it's right here.
Oh.
10 minutes. I don't want to get. Oh, that's excessive. Come on. Right.
Did I delete that by accident? No, that was you timing them out.
There we go. Hey, it says 0 timeouts. That's not true. Is there like a? Can you change the default timeout? 10 minutes. Is there a default timeout? Like, what is this? If I just click timeout, it's like, boom, 10 minutes. That's not cool. I don't want to time people out for 10 minutes in my
Wait,
chat.
so when you time somebody out, all their messages disappear and don't come back?
Yeah. 600 seconds is default. What if I did, okay, wait, timeout, username, duration, reason. Oh, okay. So I can do night shade dude. Is it seconds? 10. There we go. Hey, Dogglebit. Nice to see you. And if you time out a mod, they stop being mods. Oh, really?
Okay, make me a mod, then time me out.
Where are you? You're not in chat. Oh, wait, I can just type it. Timeout. Beak ill shot. Oh wait, I didn't mod you. No, I'm a dummy. Hold on. Mod. Okay.
And I'm gonna time you out.
Try it.
No.
Type.
Oh, this works. I clicked a button that said mod view, and now I'm very overwhelmed.
Okay, I'll help you.
Wait. I'm out. Right. Yeah. There goes the mod view. It's like a little ghost. It pretty much just like get lost.
Alright, when 10 seconds is up, do you have mod view back?
Oh.
You are not a mod, I think. Ooh. Wait. Mod comments. Nightshade Dude has mod comments now.
What's mod comments?
I don't know. I think it makes him show up as suspicious user whenever he writes in chat. Well, at least to mods. Anyway, what were we doing? I was doing something. I was implementing this. Oh, he doesn't show up as suspicious user to me. Maybe it's in like chat. Huh, I don't know. Teach has 8. Okay, anyway. We did, oh well, yeah, we did the, what was it? Activity components. Okay, we don't need that right now. Don't need that. Yes, we got those. Coaching created, comment created, follow-up requested. So we're doing coaching created. What is the content for the coaching again? I deleted all the stuff that we were going to use to look at.
We just make it manually, so it says like coaching. What it is? I can look at mine.
You can share the sus users with other streamers too. Sometimes get chatters marked as sus. That's amazing. I like that. Okay, hold on. Nightshade dude, mod comments. Oh, there's a share this comment. Shared comments can be viewed by mods and channels you share ban info with. Oh, I have to like specifically share ban info. Oh yeah, so this one's shared. It says timeout this guy. Nice. That's what you get, Nightshade, dude.
Anyway. It's coaching created by, and then the person's name.
Created by?
No.
What?
Like,
Oh, lame. Okay. I need to
hopefully
preload
it's
that. Then.
preloaded.
Well, friggity do. So we need provider. Okay, cool. That's fine. I mean, not bad. I always forget that. Okay. And then that's fine. Coaching, that's just ID. That's fine. User ID. That's provider user ID. Oh.
Well, the thing is,
Provider.
provider user ID.
Inserted okay.
User. Yeah. Okay. Sure.
What?
No. Fine. I'm just trying to think, like, in an instance like this. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. No, I don't know. Okay, so the problem with hard coding the user's display name in there is what happens if their name changes. That thing would forever be in their old name, versus if we just left the content empty and then
load
and in the component itself, you could just make that, because
you just load the user ID. So the content
could just be empty.
No content. Okay. That's a good idea. Hold on. I'm trying to how do I do?
Yeah, Beastco has got a bunch of mod comments already.
Hey, Beastco, how you doing? First time chat. I don't know how to put Twitch chat in here. I have there's a new setup, so I don't have my Twitch stuff.
The overlay?
Yeah, I don't have any overlays or alerts or anything. Just my stupid face in the code. Okay. That one's done then, right? I don't cannot load coaching action. That's because it's not here. Hey, quit that. Twitch chat is bad whenever Nightshade Dude and I are around anyway. Yeah. Coaching. Why don't I have coaching? Okay. I also need coaching. Coaching activity. Gosh darn it. What are we building? Harpoon? No, we are building. Oh, are you saying I don't have repo? We are building. Hold on. Let's see if I can get this up. I don't know if it's going to compile at the moment. Probably not. It does. All right. Let's see if we can show people what we're working on. Boom, boom. All right. So this is called Coach Log. It shows stuff. See, I get explanation. Brad, do the explanation. Do the elevator pitch.
Because that's the way it works. It's a app for tracking conversations between like leaders and team members and retail locations.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a huge thing, so I'm actually surprised it compiled. Hey, oh, raid from Yo Po 5. Yo Po 5. Did I get that right? Raiding with a party of 14. Thank you, Yo Po. Well, I don't have like alerts or like anything set up, but let's do shout out Yo. No, I have nothing. I have no overlays. Like I haven't set this. I got a Mac Studio like a couple weeks ago, and I haven't streamed in a while. Scuffed streamer. It's true. I'm sharing my window, and I put my stupid face in the bottom corner, and that's all I got. Like you can see my. Like this is it. I have nothing in here. Nothing here. No transitions, no anything.
Back to the basics.
Basic. I'm a basic bitch.
Start
Okay,
programming
what's
in Notepad++ again.
What's the elevator pitch for Coach Log?
First, it's a work in progress.
That's a good.
What do we have on the website?
Oh, we broke this.
The tools you need for consistent, effective coaching enable you to nurture excellence within your team.
Yeah, we didn't break it. He just didn't have anything. Our empty state sucks, by the way.
Not life coaching, like
See, look at our empty states, Brad.
How did we break that?
They're not broken. It's just they don't have any coachings.
Oh.
We need a better empty state because I'm like, I thought it was broken. Because if you go to someone else, it's not. It's fine. So it's like, what you tell them what coaching is. See, this is the problem with our fucking thing. No one knows what it is,
including us,
except for the people that use it.
Yeah. It's partly sales coaching, but just having like the coaching conversations in a workplace would be something like, hey, I don't know, do this thing better. I'm not.
It's for like retail store employees that need you like have celebrations and opportunities. So basically, celebration, they're doing good. Opportunities, they're doing bad. I mean, not doing bad. They can improve.
They can improve. Yeah. So you can have a coaching conversation for anything. So the leader might be like, hey, we want to work on like greeting our customers at the door. So they're going to make sure that everyone's greeting those customers at the door. And if they aren't, then they can have the coaching conversation with them. And it's kind of like those little reminder conversations. But then you also like supposed to celebrate people and say, hey, you're doing a good job, because it can't all be negative now, can it?
He's gonna throw some good stuff in there, just like shit, that guy's.
But they have to be different conversations. Otherwise, they have a word for that. It's
You need more flair.
Like sandwiching or more flair, exactly. That would be an opportunity.
Flair.
anyways, if when like the leaders are having the coaching conversations, like the store performs better, they have better sales and employee retention and everything. But there's no way to make sure they're having it unless you log it. And so Coach Log lets you log it and report on it, and you can see dashboards and activity and stuff, so you can actually make sure that your leaders are coaching.
There you go. See, you need this practice.
Exactly.
All right. So that was the overview for the thing that somehow miraculously compiled in the middle of a refactor. Where were we? We got this one. Now it's the follow-up. I'm just going to copy it over.
So follow-up's going to have 2?
Yes, we're going to pattern match on the... what was it? Completed at?
Completed at?
Yeah, so... hold on, I'm going to insert these quickly in there, and this is follow-up. So here, the first one we'll do completed at is nil. So this will be a follow-up requested, right? And then the other one, we're gonna have it completed at completed at, and that's gonna be, what is this?
It's a
It's a date time. So
what? Oh yeah,
date time. Pattern matching, bitches. Actually, I don't need that. All right. So this stuff. Oh.
why is it not?
There's a what is a skip? There's a skip. I don't remember what the skip one is. All right, do this one. My coach log would probably be all takes too many poops on the job. My boss makes $1, I make a dime. That's why I poop on company time. All right. Follow up. Coaching ID. What's the content? Mr. B. Mr. K. Whoa, how did I do that? Did you click something?
No. I was like a supervisor at one of my jobs. I was working, and you know, like people come into like your area, and you just kind of look up at them and look back at your desk. And I didn't even think twice about it. Anyways, like the next day, my manager comes because somebody lodged a formal complaint because she says, what did she say? She had an upset stomach, and every time she came back, I looked at her, and it something about like it made her feel weird. I knew she was pooping or something. The conversation started off like my manager's like pretending to be all stern, and then he just started laughing every time. He's like, I don't know, man. He knows I'm pooping. I can tell the way he's looking up at me.
It's just that's okay. That's
Like,
just
well,
weird.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Coaching. So user ID is that, right?
Yep.
So I gotta do this crap here too.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, what did I? My dog looks at me like that all the time. The end is near. First time chat. I keep meaning to use more protocols. I very rarely use protocols, but this is a very good thing. Hi, does Elixir support any type of type safety? Yes. It's safe to type. You have pattern matching and structs, and that's kind of like your compile time type safety. It's as good as you can get.
Guards
are runtime.
Types are coming.
Maybe.
Soon.
They're in research. Well, they're in development / research, and they don't know yet if it's gonna work how they hope. So we will see. I'm just gonna copy this crap. Hold on. What were you gonna do differently? Oh, it's just this, right?
The type, yeah. Follow-up completed. There are completed notes. For the content.
There's completed notes. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna copy this. Hold on. And
We have request notes and completion notes.
Completion. We have taken this follow-up to completion. Oh, and we have completed by user ID. So I don't need to preload. We should probably have requested by user ID. But whatever.
There's not requested by user ID, is there?
No, I'm saying we should add it. Beast Code, the Microsoft Stan. Just use C#. No. Nobody should use C#. Unless you're doing Microsoft stuff. Then you use C# or you're stupid. There's type specs, but not always easy to work with, and dialyzer with cryptic errors. Yeah. Dialyzer... Yeah, there's static analysis. I mean, but that's like every language, isn't it? Well, not every language.
Mr. Nothing, I don't recommend you use Elixir unless you want to use it for everything, because I never want to go back.
Go with the camel then for my next project. Well, you don't, like... You don't need type safety to have a resilient system, because Erlang, which is basically the old ugly version of Elixir, is running like your fucking ISPs and phone lines and shit. Adding types later is a difficult problem. Yeah. Almost had the leading AI person in the trade deadline. Yeah, if you're working on the type of problem, Mr. Nothing, that like you could use that OCaml is a good fit for, then yeah. I think Elixir is good for like a higher level stuff than what I would use OCaml for. Probably. Okay, we have this is completed. So we have the follow-up one is done.
Wait, go back down just to make sure for a sec. Completion notes, coach. Yeah. Q. Coaching comment. I think we have them all, don't we?
I think that's it. I think we got it. Yeah.
Well,
now,
in theory.
theoretically, this all works and is amazing.
Accepting. Go back to.
Oh,
Well, yeah.
Yeah, we need to. Okay, so we're broadcasting activities now. But we're not listening for activities. We're listening for comments. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
So in the subscription, first of all, we want activity. Is it activity or what is it? Hold on one sec. Are these not alphabetically ordered? Okay. I guess that one goes first. And then what's the complaint about this one? Unused alias user. Okay, sure. Okay, we're broadcasting it as activity, and then it's the activity ID with the thing. So that's what we got. That's what we want.
Oh yeah, because you're only broadcasting the activity ID, not
and
the actual activity, right?
List activities.
No B Scott, that's a new coaching. The comment. The comments we can all talk about. The green border.
Get rid of green border. This stupid green border, that is because of me sharing my screen with what's his face? Is there settings for that? How do I get to settings?
Pop doesn't have very many settings.
I don't know if I can. I don't think I can. Unless I stop sharing my screen with Brad. Activity participants. What is that for? What do you use that for?
Oh. That's pretty cool.
What?
That
Well, why don't I look and see where you're using it?
It's at the top of activity. We have their little pictures for everyone that's part of it.
Oh, you mean? Oh.
We show all their avatars.
Okay. Well, you know what? Let me see if this compiles again.
Even better than the last time.
Yeah. All right. So let's go to this. Oh, coaching activity. Oh yeah, shit. I gotta create that migration and the database table.
In theory, it was working.
Yeah, well, it's trying to do a database query on a table that doesn't exist. Create coaching activities. All right. Create coaching activities. Cool. I'm gonna go like, where's comments? It's the closest thing, right? There, I'll fucking read okay. So I use coach log migration because we customize some shit for our composite primary keys. Yeah. Whoa. Just add a black border mask in OBS or crop down it. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. Screen capture. Or let's do, I can't do like a box. I thought I could do, I feel like I can do less stuff now than I could before. What is color source? I don't know. Whatever, let's see if I can crop this thing. Screen capture. So if I go like up one, no. If I press up, is it going? Oh, oh, no. Okay. Now. This is gonna be tricky. Got that one. Did it get it? Yeah, but I wanted to draw on it.
I mean, you kind of got it. Looks pretty janky now, though. You like half of your menu bar at the top's missing.
Whatever. It's gonna stop some whiners. We'll
Just.
I'll figure something else out later. Okay. Coaching comment does what is asked.
No coaching celebration, Bisco.
Yeah, we got two. We have two types. We have celebrations and opportunities. No promotion, no raise. We had to pay freeze and I didn't get my raise this year. I don't know if I'm supposed to talk about that in public. Everyone shut up. Alright, we have content. Wait, just fucking go to the thing. What is it? Activity? Let's see what I got here. So I don't have to think. I don't want to have to think. Okay, we have org ID. I have that. Content type. So it's just type, right? Add type string. Null false. That can be null. User ID can be null.
And so if type is a string, does ecto cast it to the enum? Not
Yes.
the enum, to this atom. Whatever.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. Okay, composite foreign key, org ID, coaching ID, yes. Delete, yeah, whatever. Sure. Oh, shit. So because this one can be nullable, what did I do? We need, and it's because it's a composite key. I had to do something here. Composite foreign key, the match has to be, fuck, is it simple or partial? I think it's simple. I think I did it somewhere else too. Let's just look. or match simple. I think it's simple. Match simple. And because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna format it for me. Sure. Well, there isn't a promotion activity, so no one gets a pay increase. Fuck. That's what happened. Wait, what? I just noticed there's songs playing that I might not like. No, they look fine. Whatever. Okay. So, we're gonna do migrate. It worked. Cool. Okay. Let's do this. And then let's go into here and refresh this page, and it's fine. And I can, whoa, is that loading bar going? Okay. Nope. Nope, it's not connecting to the socket.
No, just give it a second.
Refresh.
It does that sometimes after you refresh. Or like restart the server.
Okay, it's fine now. Comment. Okay, we've got some shit going on. So it's not perfect. Oh yeah, I know why, because we didn't do our stuff. What we were doing before I came and did the database stuff. So we have activities. You don't need to map comment into activity.
No.
You don't need to do that. What is this? Comment created? No, we're just doing activity. And we have activity ID. New activity. Wait, no. Activity. I don't know if we need that, but anyway. Get no. Oh, we're just gonna get activity. We don't have that function yet either. And we don't. Do we preload the user? I guess you want to display their shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to create that function. Yeah, I hate autocomplete sometimes. So we're getting by org ID and activity ID.
I think you've been putting activity ID first.
Well, you put it first in your function because I just copied your thing. Oops. Okay. Can I do this? Activity ID. Whoa, how did I do that? Get the activity. Come on, Copilot. Is it broken? Why is it disabled?
Enable.
There's no enable button. This is why. Like, I don't want to write this stuff out. Copilot, do it for me. Come on. The hell? The hell? I don't write stupid, tedious crap anymore. Lots of red. I blame Bisco. I do too. He also disabled my Copilot. He disabled my Copilot. So, okay, if I click on ready disabled, what happens? Nothing. Like, what the hell? Where's my Copilot? I want you to finish.
It's powered by OpenAI, and they don't exist anymore.
OpenAI just imploded.
Yeah.
Activity ID, org ID, and coaching activity.
This is what everyone expected to happen when Elon bought Twitter. Thought it would just stop working immediately. Turns out.
Bad activity. Ecto, no results there. Oh, okay, cool. We have the function. After much annoyingness with Copilot not working, making me sad. So can we compile? Can we run? Missing private attribute type for component. Undefined. Oh, okay. We need to redo your component. So it's not. What? What did you even do? Okay, so we don't need the type. We just need the activity, right? And I think we can do.
We can get rid of like everything.
Back to this. Who doesn't like you? Right. Okay,
so we could theoretically just pass in an activity because that should have everything that
that's what we're doing.
Only time you would need content, icon, or timestamp.
Yeah,
is if
I know. That's what we're doing.
We had like a generic one before, but I don't think you need that anymore.
Why is this? Who did that? It's easy. You said bad things about C#. This is what happens. Damn it. Oh yeah, we preloaded user. We could technically just do that in here. Yeah, screw it. Not gonna bother. Hi, hello. First time chat. Ackerhon. Ackerhan? Ackerhon. Ackerhon. Okay, did you have title somewhere? You did. So instead of title, it's what? Content? What's inner block? What are you doing with inner block? I want to ask, were there
inner block anymore?
Any tools to annoy a streamer? I mean entertain, not annoy. The only tools that annoy me are the chatters. Because they're tools. Got him. All right. We don't. What do we do about icon? Why is? And what the hell's inner block? What are you doing with that? You said something, but I didn't hear you.
We don't need inner block anymore.
So this whole.
I think that whole activity can go because there is no type text for activity. I think that was just like a generic one.
You bastard. Okay. What about notification? We don't have that either.
Nope.
Okay. This should be like a general function somewhere. But anyway, whatever. Like in our... Doesn't matter. Okay, so we're gonna do... We have comment. Okay, and also these are atoms now. Da 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 da. Did we didn't put event time, we just did insert it out, right?
Yeah.
And that's the content. Follow-up requested. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay, hold
on. Will this be activity?
What do you mean?
Like this is not just a map, it's like an activity, right?
Yeah, but I don't care to match on it. Structs our maps. Okay, cool. So now, timestamp, undefined attribute timestamp. Where did we do that?
That's probably if you go to the show.
Oh yeah. Right.
To remove the.
You're just passing it. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so we don't need this one, right?
No.
So that should be fine. Recompile. Oh, look at that. No warnings. Oh, beautiful.
But it might not work.
It doesn't. Error-driven development. Avatar. No function calls matching in avatar.
You have to preload the user for the activities.
Ecto association not loaded. I thought we did that. I thought we did. Oh, you did here, but we didn't up here. That's too far up. Where are they? Right here. Right? Right. Recompile. Go back. I forget the key to refresh. Hey, look at that. Okay. Red. much red. Activity ID and where does not. Oh fuck! I'm an idiot. It's not activity ID. It's ID. Yeah. All right. Refresh. Make sure everything works. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Comment. Boom. Look at that.
Ew.
Comment. So if I have this open twice, and we're looking over here, and I comment here, it shows up over here too. Ha
Okay.
ha ha ha.
So now create a new coaching.
New coaching.
Follow up
Why is
required.
that date field like all the way across?
Yeah.
Seems weird. All right. Opportunity. Select a topic. Time management. Who was coached? Beast Co. What? He's not in there. Abigail. Details. She went to a back room with Beast Co. And Nightshade Dude. And came out crying. Okay.
Nope.
Nope. Follow up.
Follow.
Okay, who should follow up? Manager should follow up by November 30th. Follow up notes. What would you like the leader to know about this follow up? Timeout. Basco and Nightshade Dude. Okay. Shoes. Oh, failed to upload. Why? Do I not have my keys on this computer for S3? Maybe. Let's remove that. I'll end up leaking something. Oh, we got an error. What did it fail to do? Activity components, coaching activity. What? No. So it must be the type. Type coaching created. Oh, okay, hold on. Where's the component? Oh, we don't have coaching created.
Oh,
I
yeah.
deleted that one from the show too, because that was the. Hold on, let's go back. It was this one, right?
Yeah. But kind of
was-
sorta.
it
It
was something
was
else.
no. Because I go yeah. We had a notification one.
That was the one.
That was the one.
All right,
Wait,
hold on.
I can probably find it in mine.
No, I'll grab it. I'll just go back far.
Just don't mess up.
I never mess up. I am the
One time I
unmess
did
up
say-
champion of the.
One time I did undo, and then I
Okay,
accidentally
copy and then mass redo. This is how we code here.
I did that one time and I hit like space or something by
yeah.
accident. So I lost all of it. So
I've done that. You should commit in between stuff. But who does that? Coaching created. And it's also an activity with extra T's and a missing closing. Okay, so here we go. It's not timestamp, it's activity. What, inserted at?
Yeah.
And the icon, get man, what is going on? So back to this. This is your icon.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is your content. That's it.
But there is no content for this one.
Then why did you put it here?
So
Are you sure? Oh. That's why. Forgot to let Beast know that he had been terminated. He'll be back. Don't. What did you do?
Nothing.
What the hell? Dude.
Were we passing anything else in, or was it just there was a couple fields there? Activity, title. Yeah, that should be fine.
Recompile. Refresh. There we go. Look at that.
Wait. Yeah, and then open this in another picture, whatever tab thing. I don't know. Picture.
What's window is Command N. I'll remember that for next time.
And now you should be able to complete the follow-up and have it show up in both.
Okay, so I'm gonna complete it here. Brought this to completion. A equals D. Complete follow-up. Oh yeah, look.
No, it crashed.
Did it? There was a delay, so it probably did. No. Did it? It did. Huh. So it tried to get the activity, but it didn't exist.
Because
The transaction didn't commit. The transaction didn't, because it's we're broadcasting in the transaction.
It's too
And
fast.
our stuff is too fast. Okay. It's because we're not doing C#.
Always comes back to C#.
Damn. All right. Just gotta move it outside the transaction, like as if we were not idiots. Pretend you're not an idiot. And I will too. Okay. Well, fuck.
What does the transact return?
The stuff that happened. So it's gonna return in here. It's gonna return the coaching.
But if it failed,
Then it'll return the error. So
and because it's inside the transaction, those will not be available, right?
correct.
But if we know they were created, we'll have the coaching ID, so we could technically query the activities and then
No,
broadcast them.
I'm not querying. No. If anything, I'm gonna do something really dumb. but not querying. So after the with, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to return okay, coaching. Coaching activity. Wait. Follow up. Activity. Okay, coaching activity, follow-up activity. So why do I keep doing that with the string? Okay, so here, broadcast. Coaching activity. Alright, there we go. So this can be null if there's no follow-up. So maybe we just no op null broadcast.
Huh?
Know what I mean? Fucking do nothing. Right. Huh?
Go back to the other thing. What was it?
What?
What did you do before this? I didn't see what's under it. Yeah.
So I don't want to query it again because I fucking have it right here. So I assign it to result, and then I match on the result. If I have these things, then broadcast, and then return the coaching. If I don't have these things, it's going to return the error tuple from here.
This wasn't even the problem. This one though, actually.
We got to do this on all of them.
Yeah.
To do it on all of them, because they're all in the transaction. See. So here I'm gonna do okay. Activity. Okay. No, with. Okay. Comment. Activity. Result. Oh god. It's happening. So here we do broadcast activity. This is really annoying, but yeah, it's just annoying. We'll probably make it better later somehow, but for now, this is fine. Just want it to work. Activity, result, okay, we did them all. So now we should be broadcasting the completions and the creations and all that shizzy mid dizzy. New coaching. Celebration. Values. Who was coached? Alfonso. Details. Very valuable. Follow-up required. Yep. 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 Create. What? What did I do? How did I fuck this up? No case clause matching. So it has one. Oh god, this is so big I can't tell how many things are in here. Let's just look at the stack trace. Where what coaching is 343. Whoa, hey. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. What do you mean? Where? Was it this one?
What did it say?
No. Case clause matching. And okay coaching. Is there another struct in here? What does it mean? There's, of course there is. Oh, wait. Hold on. Because I only have this. Okay, that's fine. I can make this work. It's just a tuple. It's just a tuple. That's all. No big deal. I can make this work. I'm a programmer.
Just add some curly braces.
I'm a professional programmer. How do these? I just put these everywhere and everything works. Because now it's a two tuple. Alright. All is good. We're fine. Shit. How did I get a two? Fuck, what did I do there? I don't know how I ended up with that one in there. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no, I fat thumbed something. Hold on. Oh god. Like, oh dear lord. How did I do that? Wait, let me just look through these a bit. Okay, I think we'll be okay. Everyone calm down. I think I know what I did wrong. Okay, let's check this. All is good, all is good, all is good, all is good, all is good. Let's not be dumb. Let's go back here and redo this. Who was coached? Very valuable. Follow-up required. Yep. Create. Okay, copy this here. Okay, now if I complete this, then it should complete over here.
So
except this one doesn't disappear.
I can fix that. I can do that. Probably.
Yeah, that's easy. You just gotta check the type of activity. Or assign.
I love this functionality, despite the fact that it's going to be such a rare occurrence that anyone's looking at it at the same time.
Oh, exactly.
But it has to be there.
It has to be there. You can't not do it. If you can do it, you better do it, right? This is our MVP, right? Wait. Wait a minute.
Wait a second.
That's not what an MVP is.
We don't get an MVP.
Shit. Okay.
That was 20.
How do we do the follow up? So here, you show the follow up thing, right? You did this part.
Yeah.
So you show it. This one, right?
Yeah.
Or no, that's
Follow form, yeah.
Oh yeah. So if coaching not follow up. So all we need to do here is socket equals. No, we don't even need that. We need coaching. Don't even need that. So we do socket assign coaching activity coaching. So now actually yeah. I was trying to do a less large diff by just getting the follow-up.
Yeah. Well, actually,
because I want to render the least amount of stuff as possible. So if I did hold on. Just let me think for a second here. Activity type equals follow up completed. I'm just playing around on this, not like the final form. Just we can grab the follow-up. We can do, hold on, coachings, get follow-up. We don't have the, we do have it. Why isn't it showing up in my autocomplete? It's what? Org ID and ID. See, it's not, we're not consistent with that. We don't have the follow-up ID.
Well,
Where is it on the coaching, or is it on follow-up belong to?
Follow-up belongs.
Okay, fine. All right, so that's fine. I can do this.
I mean, from activity, where you preload user, you could preload.
I don't want to preload it if I don't need it. There's one extra query only if this is here. It's like whatever. Coaching follow-up. So now I have follow-up. So I do assign socket, no, update socket. I'm updating coaching, and then I'm going to do the coaching, but I'm going to put the follow-up as activity coaching follow-up. That will make the diff smaller, because then we're just only updating the follow-up on the coaching. I think that's how it'll work.
I thought the diff, would the diff even matter? Isn't the diff smart enough to know what's changed?
I don't know. Maybe. 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 You know what? I don't know. Whatever. Just fucking do it. The lazy way. Activity coaching.
I feel like you still might have to preload the coaching, like.
You think so? Huh?
Do we have to, like, what do we preload on the coaching right now?
Oh, there's stuff that you want, you mean? See, this is why I didn't want to do it this way.
Do it your other way, just undo.
No, here.
There's so many fields. Went from one query to like 18. But this happens like never, so I'm not really concerned about it.
Well, it's still, the preload is one query, I think, with joins. It's just whatever. Okay, so new coaching. Blah blah. Blah blah. Follow up required by 29th. Create. Okay. Copy this ID. Go over here. We're gonna do. There was a little red thing there when I changed over. All right. Let's complete it and watch what happens. There we go.
Boom.
Instant. Beautiful. Although I have to remember I have 128 gigabytes of RAM and like 24 cores.
that would be instant anywhere though.
Well, you're doing that coaching preload with like 1,000 fucking joints. But anyway, it's not a big deal. It's fine.
It's on the page load anyways. I feel like after watching you do that, I feel like I'll play around with it and maybe we add like toaster notifications or something because like that page changes suddenly. So maybe it would be good to have like a toaster notification saying like Brad has completed the follow-up.
Well, it shows here.
No, I know, but like if you weren't paying attention, like say there was a bunch of comments and stuff.
Yeah.
And like you or whatever you're looking at on a phone, because like remember like whatever.
Well, we have a toaster component already. Hey.
Yeah. No, but like it could be like this, so you might not even see it or whatever, right? And all of a sudden that big block just disappears and you're like, what just happened? But if you had like we already, like you said, we have the toaster, so if I just add a toaster thing saying like pretty much the same as the activity, this is what just happened.
Yeah.
Then
Yep.
LGTM, let's get this merged.
Because that's how it works.
Urban Dictionary that or something, I swear. Chat, what does LGTM mean? That's so wrong. But
Hey Siri, ask your sister.
Yes?
What does LGTM stand for in a pull request?
In the context of a pull request, LGTM typically stands for looks good to me. It's a common phrase used by developers to indicate their approval.
okay, in the context, let's get this merge still makes sense. It's like synonyms. Looks good to me. Let's get this merged.
Those darn cinnamons. Did somebody tell you that? Or you're just like,
I probably
that
just
must
like,
be
was
what
like,
it means.
What does it mean? I swear I googled it, but obviously I didn't, because when I look at it now, everything says it looks good to me.
All right. We got your activity stuff.
Thank you.
What's next? What time is it? Oh my god, it's 1 a.m.
Yeah, I still haven't had dinner.
All
It's
right,
only
hold
9
on.
p.m.
Let's find somebody to rickroll. I mean raid. How do I?
Pick somebody who has like 10,000 streamers and it'll be like right rating with 14.
There's the Coppinger. Sasha Grey. Let's raid Sasha Grey.
Yeah, physical damage does a lot
Who's
of damage,
that?
though. I just can't hit it.
Streamer. 1,600 viewers. Okay, fuck, there's no devs except for the Coppinger. At least ones that I'm following.
There you go.
So, let me grab his user nickname. Sashik. Nightshade dude's laughing. I don't know why though. Clipped and shipped. All right. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'm going to go to bed because I have to get up early with kids and stuff. Peace.